In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions on the Godaddy website builder. It's something everyone needs to know. Whether you're making small tweaks or big changes to your site, mistakes can happen, and it's crucial to know how to reverse them without causing further issues. So, let's dive in and make sure you're equipped to manage your website with confidence. First up, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account. Head over to the Godaddy homepage. Here you'll see a sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page, a gateway to all your Godaddy services and products. Once you're at the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. These credentials were chosen by you when you first set up your Godaddy account, so hopefully you've kept them handy. If you've forgotten them, don't panic. Godaddy has a forgot password feature that can help you regain access. After successfully entering your login information, click the sign in button to access your account dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Godaddy account, from domain names to hosting services. But today, we're focusing on the website builder, so let's navigate to that next. To get to your website editor, look for the website section on your account dashboard. This area may vary slightly in appearance depending on Godaddy's updates and your specific services, but it's generally straightforward to find. Once you've located the section for your website, click on Edit Website. This action will open the website builder, where you'll see your site as it currently stands along with various editing tools. Now, here's where things get a bit more specific. Let's say you've made a change to your site that you're not happy with. To start the undo process, you'll need to right-click anywhere in the website builder. This action can be slightly different depending on whether you're using a Mac or a PC, but the right-click functionality brings up additional options in most web editing environments, including Godaddy's website builder. After right-clicking, you'll see a context menu pop up. Look for the undo option. It's important to note that the availability and position of this option can vary depending on what actions you've taken and whether the platform perceives something to undo. Selecting undo will revert the last action you performed, but what if you can't find the undo option through right-clicking, or if it doesn't work for your scenario? There's usually an alternative method available. Godaddy's website builder is designed with user experience in mind, hence they provide multiple pathways to achieve common tasks such as undoing an action. Look for an undo button within the website builder's toolbar. This is usually represented by an arrow curving to the left, symbolizing the backward movement or reversal of your last action. Clicking this undo option or icon will immediately revert your website to its previous state before the last change was made. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can save you from various minor mistakes, like deleting a text box you didn't mean to or changing a color scheme that looked better before. And that's essentially it. Remember, mastering the undo function in the Godaddy website builder isn't just about avoiding mistakes, it's about giving yourself the freedom to experiment. The more comfortable you become with making changes, knowing you can easily revert them, the more creative and bold you can be with your website's design. In closing, don't hesitate to play around with the different features your website builder offers. The undo button is your safety net, allowing you to explore various designs and functionalities without the fear of making irreversible mistakes. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're here to brush up on your skills or starting from scratch, I hope this tutorial has equipped you with the knowledge to manage your website like a pro. Happy editing!